Are you looking to structure your children's vacation days in a way that balances relaxation, fun, and productive activities? In this video, we present an ideal daily routine for children during their vacations, ensuring they have a memorable and well-rounded experience. Wake up refreshed. Allow your children to sleep in a bit later than usual, giving them the opportunity to wake up naturally and feel well rested. A good night's sleep is essential for their overall well-being. Breakfast and family time. Start the day with a nutritious breakfast together as a family. Use this time to connect, share stories, and plan activities for the day. Encourage your children to participate in meal preparation, fostering their independence and culinary skills. Engage in physical activities. After breakfast, encourage your children to engage in physical activities to promote fitness and outdoor exploration. It could include a bike ride, a nature walk, playing at the park, or even a friendly game of soccer. Physical activity will keep them energized and boost their mood. Creative time. Dedicate a portion of the day to creative activities that stimulate your children's imagination. Provide art supplies, craft materials, or encourage them to write stories or keep a journal. This allows them to express themselves creatively and develop their artistic talents. Learning opportunities. Incorporate educational activities into their routine to keep their minds active. It could involve reading books, solving puzzles, participating in science experiments, or even virtual museum tours. Make learning fun and engaging, tailoring it to their interests and age group. Unstructured playtime. Allow your children ample time for unstructured play, where they can engage in imaginative play, build with blocks, play board games, or enjoy free play with their favorite toys. Unstructured play enhances their creativity, problem-solving skills, and social interactions. Relaxation and rest. Include periods of relaxation and rest throughout the day. Encourage your children to engage in quiet activities like reading, listening to music, or practicing mindfulness. This downtime is crucial for their mental well-being and helps them recharge for the rest of the day. Family bonding. Set aside quality time for family activities such as movie nights, board game tournaments, or cooking together. These moments foster stronger family bonds, create lasting memories, and provide opportunities for open communication. Bedtime routine. Establish a consistent bedtime routine that includes winding down activities like reading a bedtime story or having a calming conversation. A regular sleep schedule ensures your children get enough rest to start the next day refreshed. Remember, the key to an ideal daily routine for children on vacation is to strike a balance between structured activities and free time. This allows them to explore their interests, learn, and have fun while also enjoying relaxation and quality family moments. Adapt the routine to suit your children's age, preferences, and the resources available to you. Embrace flexibility and make their vacation a time of joy, growth, and treasured experiences.